So, hello everyone. Let's see if we can fake some coins here. I just wanted to say, see if there's any fake coins moving around here, or if there's any good ones. Silica down 2%. Okay, there's not much action on the downside. I mean, I don't know these other ones, Repo and blah 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 coin here. But on the upside, we have what are some names that I mean, at least I've heard of these two: Ravencoin and Walton Chain. Ion as well. Power Ledger, of course. Tezos, EOS had a move as well. Komodo, that was a while ago. Haven't looked at some of these names in quite some time now. We can go further to look at some charts here, and then we have, of course, Bitcoin. It's just holding steady. And if we take a look at some of these other movers, what did we have? EOS had a nice move. Now it's trading above this Bollinger, but you can see as well it was contracting here, so it doesn't say much. It just means that we might be looking at a new movement higher on. And of course, on these huge volume days, you might have to be a little bit careful. I mean, you saw here as well. Back in the beginning of March, you had a similar situation, and basically the price afterwards just flatlined for quite a few days. And so we'll see if we have a similar situation now, or if this is some kind of a beginning of a new trend or something. I noticed Cardano. Where is this puppy? Cardano had a nice move as well. Let's look at the VeChain. Let's have a look at VeChain for the time being. And this one is basically came back in. This is always the problem when you're trading outside of the upper Bollinger and you make a new high, but you have the RSI makes a new low here, so that's a negative divergence. And usually what happens is price will start to reverse back into the mean price here. At that point you might be able to buy it, pick it up again, but I'm just saying that this I mean, you have a similar but you didn't have a new high here, so but it's kind of a negative divergence here. You can kind of say it's the same thing. But this one is really clear, and so we'll have to see now, but it looks like it's coming back a bit. And Cardano, where the hell is it? Okay, let's just type it in here. This one also has a negative divergence, so maybe you watch out in the very short term with this one. You can see the RSI here on the new high. The RSI is up here, and it makes an even higher high, and the RSI is flat compared to the previous level, so it should in theory slowly come back down again. Let's see on some of the news today. What do we have? Is there anything? Swiss President says regulation for blockchain firms should be fast and clear. That's Uli Maurer has stressed that establishing regulation for the blockchain sector should be fast and clear. He made his remarks at the Crypto Valley Summit in Zug on Wednesday, according to a report here from some local news agencies. Okay, so they're still going. They're still going after this Crypto Valley in Zug, and I guess it's mainly Ethereum that they use there, but there's all kinds of companies locating there. I guess my guess is also for tax reasons, and also that you have the kind of the brains behind this there as well. They can all meet up in one fine valley. And if we here are some charts somebody had made, just going through kind of some of these currencies. They're saying here, this Vice Rating founder Martin D. Weiss said that during the bear market, a critical segment of the crypto space is growing sharply. Therefore, for those willing to take the risk, the best time to invest could be very near, or at least this year. And I tend to agree with that. It's time to start to collect some cash and start to invest again for the next 30x move higher, I would assume. At least 10x. That would be strange otherwise. If that doesn't happen, then the market is most likely dead. uh, but give it some time. Litecoin, nice uptrend. Okay, we can observe that. EOS, we just had a look at. This is the daily chart though, and it looks pretty good, establishing some new levels there. Bitcoin Cash, you have this is kind of a rounding bottom, so we might have more upside to look forward to there. You have Binance Coin is kind of trickling higher here, and of course, if I remember correctly, this is one of those coins that you can earn dividends on from from the Binance exchange if you're holding this, and so that's of course one of the major advantages. You have Stellar as well. Looks kind of, its inside is kind of expanding triangle, and I think there were some talks the other day as well by some banking industry or something that we're going to use. They might use Stellar. Cardano is kind of moving above this rectangle or consolidation area. That looks okay. And Tron is really one I haven't followed. That's 250 for me. And then we have this news here. What is this, like the Frodo ring, the whiskey ring? Over 130-year-old liquor company William Grant and Sons to track whiskey on blockchain. I mean, I don't know if that's really true. I haven't checked the source, so please do that. But let's just read what the text is saying here. The move is reportedly meant to tackle liquor counterfeiting in the United Kingdom, and also allows the company to gather data from existing and potential customers by employing location systems to determine where the products are purchased. A different report by the drink business claims that the UK loses £218 million a year to wine and spirits counterfeit. I have no idea if that's correct or not. And they keep on saying here that it's kind of a growing segment, is kind of tracking these luxury goods, and I don't know how much is growing, but VeChain is certainly doing things in this segment, it seems, in China, to kind of make sure that their bags and bottles of wines or whatever they have is real and not kind of counterfeit. And yeah, that's about it. And I think let's just end it there, and we'll keep an eye on the charts and some of the news here. Maybe do some kind of a research over the next few days. Maybe there's some interesting coins or something like that that needs to be looked at a little bit closer. Take care, guys.